Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm excited about participating in an open collab called Sophisticated Saturdays. It's hosted by Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Well, today they are giving us a special treat because they have a guest host, and that's that beautiful Simone from Creations by Simone. I will leave all of their channel info in my description box along with the playlist link. And as always, on the Rodgers House, we give shout outs because we believe it's super important to support, motivate, and encourage other inspiring YouTube creators. And today's shout out goes to that beautiful Melanie Thompson, which is also the name of her channel. On her channel, she does Tuscan and seasonal decorating, floral designs, and thrifting. So guys, please go over and check her out. Her fall home tour was absolutely beautiful. So today I'm going to be showing you a tablescape, which I'm calling Bobbin for Apples. So let's get into the video. So guess a cute little fun fact about horses is they love eating all kinds of fruits like bananas, cantaloupe, raisins, but one of their favorite fruits is apples. So guests, I hope you enjoy seeing my Bobbin for Apples Tablescape, and if you did, please leave me a comment down in the comment section. And please don't forget to go over and watch the playlist as well as Melanie's channel. So if this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.